Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Holly, and I hope that everyone's having a great day. Today I'm sharing a recipe for creamy Parmesan garlic mushroom chicken. And it's very easy to make. It has a great flavor, but you will need, it calls for 4 boneless chicken breasts thinly sliced. I had 3, so that's what I'm using, and I just went ahead and salt and peppered that. You will need 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1 cup of chopped spinach. You'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic minced, a half teaspoon of salt, a fourth of a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 cup of heavy cream, a fourth of a cup of butter, and a half a cup of chicken broth. And you will also, if you want, you can also have pasta to have some of the sauce with, because it does make some extra sauce. And to a large skillet, you will add your olive oil, and then you will heat that up. And once the oil is heated, add the chicken breasts to it. And you want to cook this until the center is no longer pink, but you want to have both sides of the chicken browned. And you basically want your chicken pretty much cooked through, because it's not going to take very long once we take it out and then put it back into the sauce, and it will not take long at all. So just once you get it browned, take it out, and we're going to put that to the side. Now add the mushrooms, and you will cook this until they are softened. So you just kind of want to have this cooked through, and it doesn't take very long at all. And then once they're cooked, then just take a spoon, and I put them on the same plate that I had the chicken on, because it's all going to go back in together. And I know that that's somewhat of flavor there, but I did not want that to turn the sauce black or brown, so I just kind of wiped that out with a paper towel. Now I melted the butter and then added the garlic cloves, and you're just going to cook that until the garlic cloves start to have a scent to it and they become aromatic. And then add the flour, and this will help kind of make a roux, so it'll help thicken up that sauce a little bit. And several things that we add will help to thicken it. Now add the half a cup of chicken broth, and then add the 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And as you cook this, it will get thicker, especially after adding the Parmesan cheese. And you'll notice it'll start to thicken up. Now add your salt and pepper and garlic powder. Add the chopped spinach. And you want to cook this down until it starts to wilt. And as you stir it in, you can start to see how it's starting to thicken up a little bit. But just cook that spinach until it starts to wilt. Now once the sauce has thickened and the spinach has wilted, then add the chicken and mushrooms back into it. And all you're going to do is just heat it through, and then if you want, you can serve it over some pasta, because it does make extra sauce. And you can, like I said, I only used 3 chicken breasts, so 4 chicken breasts I still think would give you some sauce to put over some pasta. And this is what it looks like when it's done. It really was a delicious meal. That spinach and the mushrooms really added to it, and we really did enjoy it. And I did have a lot of sauce left, so I made some linguine and just added the sauce to that. I did mix it in, I just didn't do that on my plate right here, so that way you can see the contrast between the chicken and the noodles. We had some mixed vegetables with it, and everything complemented each other, so it was really a delicious meal. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. I want to say thank y'all to everyone who's been watching, and I appreciate your support. I hope everyone has a blessed day, and God bless y'all.